Hello and welcome to another update video about Cronos. My expectation is still that we are here in this corrective wave pattern and should now imminently, ideally, start with that C wave to the downside. Now, this obviously means that we should now not break above the previous high anymore, and I also have to adjust the wave count in this video. So as long as we now stay below 8.3 cents, I think we can focus here on lower. It has really maxed out our resistance area. I showed you in the previous video that if you, for example, don't use the Kucoin chart, but you use the Coinbase chart, that we actually did not break out of this target area to the upside. So it depends always on the exchange that you're looking at. But the Coinbase chart has some very unreliable wicks that are moving here to the upside. Now, saying that if I look at this chart here, we have this wick to the downside, which is also not very reliable. I'm not sure where these come from. It's a bit odd. So I might go to the Coinbase chart in one of the next videos. I don't know which one is more reliable. In the end, it doesn't really make a great difference in terms of the count here, but it makes a slight difference in terms of how we calculate here the target range and so on. But either way, I think we are moving sideways here, and we had quite an impulsive move down. Yes, we made one more high here, but then I could count that still as part of the B wave, and we could now be starting with a wave 1 here to the downside of the wave C. It might become some kind of an ending diagonal, that C wave, but obviously condition is now that we stay below this B wave high, which was here on Kucoin at basically I could even say 8.35 cents. So it maxed out basically what a B wave normally does. Yeah, it reached the 88.7% FIB level here on Kucoin. On Coinbase, it didn't even reach the 78.6, and therefore, yeah, it's unfortunately it costs the chart, and generally all these charts about crypto.com or Cronos a lot of reliability, unfortunately. But that's sort of what I'm looking at here at the moment. What would happen if we break above the 8.5 cent level? Then I would have to assume that still this wave 1 wasn't actually finished, and that what we are doing here is just a wave 4. That we are still in this fourth wave, that basically this third wave was up here. The fourth wave is still ongoing, maybe even as an Elliott wave triangle, and the fifth is going to move here to the upside still, yeah, possibly then in an ending diagonal, because this doesn't look entirely impulsive. So it's getting, up here with a lot of these coins, it's getting a bit difficult in terms of how to read these charts. It's getting messy, it's getting choppy. It means that the market hasn't fully made up its mind yet. You see a lot of up and down. The market tries to do many things at once, and then that is when you see these choppy movements, which is always, which gives you headwinds if you try to trade them. But certainly we have reached the target here. We're now watching for downside, and if we break above the 8.35 cent level, then we probably have to assume that we're also going to break above 3.5, and will rally to the to a new target in wave 5, which I will then be able to give you if we have clarity that we are going to move higher. At the moment, my view would be focused on the downside, but the market is a bit uncertain at the moment, also given what Bitcoin and Ethereum can be doing. So it's important to just understand those key pivot points, decision points, and certainly that wave 2 low here, after that rally that we've had to the upside since December basically, this move down will be another accumulation possibility for anybody who likes to do so. And should we make one more high here in the wave 1, I will lift that support area up for you and then make you aware in the next video. Okay, and that's my update about Cronos. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.